Hello everyone, my name is Anup Kumar Sharma and in this video I am going to show you how to clone a Git repository. For demonstration, I already have a repository on GitHub which I am going to clone on my system. Click on the code drop down button and copy the https git repository URL. Now go to the folder where you want to clone the repository. Right click in the Windows Explorer and click on the Git Bash here option. If this option is not available in your system, then please install Git SCM. Link to install Git SCM is mentioned in the description. In Git Bash, type git clone command and paste the repository URL. Within few seconds, repository will be cloned to local system. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.